Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one interesting recipe which you guys can try at your home. So today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make bread at your home. So for this recipe, what you need, take a big glass bowl and I'm adding 1 cup of hot milk into this. So I kept the milk in the cup and I kept it in the oven for 1 minute. So this is very hot guys, and in this I'm going to add little bit of sugar. So I'm going to add half a teaspoon of sugar or 1 table spoon of sugar. So I'm adding half a tablespoon of uh, sugar into this. So this is done guys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add the yeast packet into this. So this is the dry yeast, and I'm using this one for pizza, bread, bun, so everything. Yeah, so I'm going to use at least 2 packets of yeast. So this is 1 packet and 2 packet. So I'm going to use these 2 packet of yeast into this. Hey guys, I'm going to add the yeast into this. So here I added 1 packet of yeast and I'm going to add the another packet of yeast into this. Hey guys, I added 2 packet of yeast into this and I'm going to mix this one very well, and I'm not going to add any maida right now. I'm going to keep this one in the hot place for at least 30 to 40 minutes. So this will rise up guys. So after that only we have to add the maida. So it has to be fermented guys. So I'm going to keep this one in the hot place. See you in 30 minutes guys. Hey guys, after 15 to 20 minutes, I removed this one from the microwave because my yeast started fermenting. Can you see the thickness? So this is very good yeast guys. So it has to be fermented. If it is not fermented, you have to start it again guys. So in this I'm going to add 2 cup of plain flour, that is maida. Hey guys, I'm adding 1 cup of maida. And I'm going to add 1 more cup. Here guys, I'm going to add 1 more cup of maida, that is the plain flour, and I'm going to add the salt, that is up to your taste how much salt you want. So you have to add the salt in the maida and the yeast. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to use my hand, or if you have a knead dough, you can use that one, but today I'm going to use my hand guys to make this dough. Hey guys, this place is very clean. So I put the dough, and you have to knead your dough with your hand for 15 minutes guys. So then only your bread will be very soft. So you have to do it like this for 10 to 15 minutes with your hand. Then you will get a soft bread guys. So I'm using my hand now, you can see, and it becomes thicker also. I know it's very difficult, but we can make bread at home guys. Hey guys, after 10 to 15 minutes of kneading, my dough is very soft. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this one with the cloth and I'm going to keep it in the microwave for 20 minutes. Hey guys, my dough is fully fermented. I'm going to knead again for 5 minutes. Then I will start baking. Hey guys, I put it in that baking paper and I rolled this one as a bread shape so that we can cut the bread slices when it fully bake. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to sprinkle some pumpkin seeds in the top of this bread. Hey guys, I added some pumpkin seeds in this bread, so it gives a nice taste. If you don't have the pumpkin seed, you can add that sesame seed also. So what I'm going to do, I don't have that bread tin guys, so I'm going to bake only in this tray. So I put this baking paper. So I'm going to bake this one in 180 degree for up to 25 minutes. Hey guys, my bread is fully done and what I did, and I applied some butter in the top of the bread and I'm going to cut into slices. So yeah, hey guys, can you see the bread? It's so soft inside. It's very soft guys. Wow. So what can we do? We can apply some butter inside and we can eat the fresh homemade bread. So yeah, so this is how I make bread at my home. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.